obligations by approving a BICAM report that explains a 288.65 billion increase in DPWH with just 3 miserable words. Habang masusing sinusuri ng ating mga kababayan ang bawat detalye ng kanilang resibo sa grocery, ang bill sa kuryente para tiyakin tama ang bawat sentimo kanilang binabayaran. Tayo naman dito sa Senado ay tila kontento ng pumayag sa 288 bilyong dagdag gamit lang ang 3 matalinhagang salita, VIP, various infrastructure projects. Sa totoo lang, ginagawa pa ba natin ang ating trabaho? Worse, the committee allotted a smaller budget to education than it did to DPWH, contrary to the clear command of Article 14, Section 5, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, which requires that the state shall at all times assign the highest budgetary priority to